Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Eme Machibo. I'm a singer-songwriter and I'm also a pharmacist. In this video today I'll be listing 14 ways that you can reduce your sugar intake. So 14 things you can do to limit your sugar intake. Before I go any further, I'd like to ask you to please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your family and friends. And please do not forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be informed of every time I release a new video. So 14 things you can start doing as soon as possible to reduce your sugar intake in the long term. Number 1, compare food labels and choose food with the lowest amount of added sugar. Number 2, diet drinks are better than full sugar drinks, although water is best, or even green tea or black tea with no sugar, or even coffee with sweeteners or black tea with sweeteners. So number 3, add fruit to your cereal, yogurt or oats instead of adding sugar for sweetness. Number 4, don't keep table sugar in the house. I really believe in keeping the temptation away. So if you find that having table sugar means that you want to add sugar to your tea and coffee or other beverages or foods, then it's best not to keep table sugar in the house at all. Number 5, eat fruits instead of sweet processed foods. Number 6, cut the serving back. So if you're going to eat sugar, try to reduce the size or the amount of the sugar food that you're eating. What I tend to do is I try to limit the amount of sugar I eat by only eating sugar on certain days of the week. So no more than 2 or 3 days a week I can have sugar foods, and by that I mean like sweet foods. Number 7, limit sweeteners. So if you have sweeteners, the likelihood is your taste buds will get used to having really sweet things, so that the likelihood of eating high sugar foods is a bit higher because you might crave them. But if you have just natural sugars in fruits and vegetables, then your taste buds will be more used to those natural sugars. So that's what you're more likely to want to have more often. Number 8, substitute sugar for unsweetened applesauce in recipes, i.e. for when you're baking, for example. Number 9, have non-fat, non-sugar yogurt, but top it up with blueberries, other berries or other fruit, or even banana. Banana tastes amazing with yogurt, by the way. Number 10, look for condiments and sauces labeled no added sugar to cut back on hidden sugars. Number 11, eat full fat, but carefully read the ingredients list, because sometimes low fat simply means more sugar because they need the sugar to make it taste okay. Number 12, eat whole foods, e.g. fruits, legumes, whole grains, vegetable and healthy meats, such as meat without the fat or chicken without the skin, for example. Number 13, limit items with increased sugar in the house. For example, in my case, I do not keep any processed foods that contain sugar in the house. If I ever get a craving to eat something like biscuits or chocolate, I go out and buy it, finish it, and then I just don't keep it in our house. Number 14, get enough sleep. When you sleep, you tend to have less cravings for unhealthy foods the next day. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope that it's been helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to have a good day. Take care.